Hello friends, I am showing here the solution of a question paper. This question paper is a standard one having all 38 questions with marks 80, and I am solving here only MCQs because the whole question paper solution will be very long video, that's why. So come to question number 1. Here also I showed the picture of first 20 MCQ questions. Now see solution of question number 1 MCQ. The question is, the graph of a quadratic polynomial px passes through the point -6, 0, 0, -30, 4, -20 and 6, 0. Now the question is the 0 of the polynomial r. The options are A, B, C, D, which are -6, 0, 4, 6, -30, -20 and -6, -6. Now you see the 0 is defined only when a graph of the polynomial touches or intersects x-axis, that means whose y are 0. That's why this one and this one in which y are 0. So these are the zeros, that is -6 and 6. That is option D. Okay, this is the correct option. Okay, now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is the value of k for which the system of equation 3x minus ky is equal to 7 and 6x plus 10y is equal to 3 is a inconsistent. Now these pair of equation will be inconsistent only when their graph will have a parallel line. That means for which a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Now a1 by a2 is 3 by 6 is equal to b1 by b2, that is minus k by 10, and c1 by c2 not equal to, that means minus 7 by minus 3. You see, from these two you can find value of k. See, minus k is 3 by 6 into 10, that is 5, so k should be minus 5. So the option is B. B is correct option. Okay, this one is correct. Now come to question number 3. Which of the following statements is not true? A number of secant, option AC, the number of secant can be drawn at any point on the circle. Okay, so a circle, secant means what? Any line which can cross the circle. That means these are the secants. So we can draw as many secants as are possible from a single point. Okay, so this is true statement. Now come to statement number B. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on a circle. So see, a circle, let P be a point, then this is a unique tangent at this point. So the option B is also correct. Now come to option C. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points of the circle. This is the definition from your class 6. You see, this is a chord joining any 2 points, so this is also true. Now come to option D. From a point inside a circle, only 2 tangents can be drawn. So you see, a circle, inside a circle tangent cannot be drawn. It is only an outside line which touches the circle. So this option is false. That is not true. Okay, so option B is correct. Now come to question number 4. If nth term of an AP is, we write an as nth term, that is 7 minus 4, then the common difference of the AP is to be found out. Now see, if an is this, then a1 and a2 find out for this, then you have to put n equals to 1 for this and n equals to 2 for this. So see, 7 into 1 minus 4 and 7 into 2 minus 4. So this is 3 and this is 7 to the 14 minus 4 is 10. So you see, you have a1 and a2. So common difference is what? B, that is a2 minus a1. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So option, you see, option A is 7. So this is the correct option. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 is the radius of the base of a right circular cone and the radius of a sphere are each 5 cm in length. If the volume of the cone is equal to the volume of the sphere, then the height of the cone is to determine. Now see, if this is a cone and its radius is 5 cm. This is a sphere whose radius is also 5 cm given, because the both radius are equal. Now you have to find what is its height. As it is given, the volumes are same, so volume of cone should be equals to volume of sphere, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h should be equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. You see, we have to use both sides are in the same form, that is r and r, not different, because they are same. So h is what? Cancel 3 pi, and then h is what? R cube by r square 4 times. Okay, that is 4 into r. Okay, so 4 into r is what? 4 into 5. 4 into 5, that is 20 centimeter. It is given in option B. So option B is correct option. Okay, now question number 6. In the question number 6, if given tan theta is 5 by 2, then you have to find the value of 4 sin theta plus cos theta upon 4 sin theta minus cos theta. So it is given tan theta is 5 by 2, so you can divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta, so that one of the value will be in here tan theta and this one will be 1. Similarly for denominator, you see, 4 sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta is equal to 4 sin theta divided by 4 sin theta minus cos theta by cos theta. So you see, this one will be 4 sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta upon 4 sin theta by cos theta plus minus cos theta by cos theta. So this will be 4 into tan theta, because sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, it is 5 by 2 plus 1. Similarly in denominator, 4 into 5 by 2 minus 1. So this just solve like two fraction function. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 upon 20 minus 2. 22 upon 18 or 11 by 9. So option A. Option A is correct. Okay, now come to question number 7. In the given figure, a tangent has been drawn at a point P on the circle centered at P. So the figure is this one, where this is the point of contact of the tangent and the points are given here. These are O, Q and PQ are joined. Now it is given that angle TPQ is 110 degree. You need to find angle POQ. What is POQ? Angle POQ, that means this one. Now you see TPQ, that means this angle is 110. So obviously, as this is the linear pair, TPQ and QP, let it be S. So angle SPQ is 180 minus 110. So this is 70. Okay, this is 70. Now, if this is 70, so angle OPS, you know, OP is perpendicular to PS always at the point of contact. In the chapter circle, it is given that tangent and radius are at the point of contact are at right angle. That's why this one it should be 90. And if this is 70, this part is 70, so angle OPQ will be 90 minus 70, because total 90 minus this 70 will give 20. Now, if OPQ is 20 and OP is equal to OQ, so this triangle, angle OPQ is same as angle OQP. So both are 20. Now you need to find angle POQ. So in triangle POQ, by angle sum property, you can apply OP POQ by angle sum property. The sum of these three angles should be equal to 180. So POQ plus 20 is 180. So you can find angle POQ is 180 minus 20 plus 20 is 40 is 140. Okay. Now this one is option of which one? Okay, this is option C. Option 140. Okay. Now come to question number 8. The quadratic polynomial having zeros minus root 5 by 2 and root 5 by 2. Now, which one is the quadratic equation? Obviously, the quadratic polynomial having 0 can be x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of zeros. Okay, so this is what? X square minus sum of the zeros. Sum of these two obviously plus minus is 0x and product of 0 is multiplying. You can find minus of 5 by 2. So that is x square minus 5 by 2 or 1 by 2 2x square minus 5. So out of the 4 options you see option in which there are x, no, this cannot be the solution. Now come to option B and C. You see for option B it is given 8x square minus 20. So if you take 4 as common, this will be 2x square minus 5. So you see this one is matching and this constant doesn't matter. That's why option B is correct option. Okay, option B is correct option. Okay, now come to question number 9. Consider the frequency distribution of 45 observations. You see, we are making the tables 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. You see, these are the class intervals and their frequency is 5, 9, 15, 10 and 6. So this is the frequency and this is cumulative frequency column. Okay, so 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 15 is 29, plus 10 is 39, plus 6 is 45. So this is what? Summation of n, and you need to find summation of n by 2, that is 35 by 2 is 22.5, and this is the most nearest to this one, this cumulative frequency column. That's why the corresponding class interval will be the median class. This will be the median class and its upper limit is 30. That's why the upper limit of median class is 30. So you see the option C. Option C is the correct one. This is the correct one. Okay. Now come to question number 1. O is the point of intersection of two chords AB and CD of a circle. So you see question number 10 mein there is a circle with two chords AB and CD given and they intersect at O. This angle obviously this because of vertically opposite angle and given that this side is equal to this side. Now joining these 2 points we have 2 triangles. Now it is given that BOC is 80 degree, OA is given as OD. So obviously OA and OD being equal, the triangle ODA is an isosceles triangle. So it is given, it is asked that ODA and OBC. Obviously ODA is an isosceles triangle. This means triangle ODA is isosceles. And we need to find triangle OBC as only one pair of angles are equal and no information about the sides or the angles. That's why we cannot correspond them as similar. That's why they can be, one of the triangle is isosceles but they cannot be similar. That's why option C is the correct one. Okay. Now come to question number 11. The roots of a quadratic equation x square plus x minus 1 is 0 are. Now obviously you have the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and from the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have a1, b is 1 and c is minus 1. Putting in this formula, you can find the value of this expression. This is minus 1 plus minus root 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Okay, upon 2 into a. That is minus 1 plus minus root. This is plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. That's why root 5 by 2. So you see there are two roots, minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Obviously these are distinct and irrational. So you see option A is the correct one. Okay, irrational and distinct roots. Now come to question number 12. If theta is 30 degree, then the value of 3 tan theta. 3 tan theta. That means 3 times of tan 30. And you need to know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so value is 3 by root 3. So option C. Okay, this is 3 by root 3. Now come to question number 13. The volume of the solid is 396 by 7 centimeter cube. Solid hemisphere. Okay, you know what is the volume of solid hemisphere? It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, the total surface area of the solid hemisphere. Now, you can find r from this value. You see, r cube is what? 396 by 7 into 3 by 2 pi. From this one, you can write this value will be in the denominator, and then it's reciprocal. Now, see, 396 into 3 by 7 into 2 into 22 by 7 will be in numerator. Now you can cancel 7 7, 11 2 ja, 11 3 ja, 6 ja. So 2 1 ja, 1 6 8 ja, and 2 9 ja. So you see 9 into 3 or 27, and you know that 27 is what? 3 cube. So R is 3. Now the total surface area of solid hemisphere. Okay, solid hemisphere is what? Formula is 2 pi r square. That is 2 into 22 by 7 and r you have found that 3 square. So obviously it is 2 into 22 by 7 and 9 multiply, find 9 2 ja 18, 19 by 7, 2 8 ja 16, 9 ja 18 plus 1 is 19, 1, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 is 3 by 7. So 396 by 7 is option A. Okay, so this is option A. Now question number 14. In a bag containing 24 balls, 4 are blue, 11 are green. 4 blue ball, 11 green ball, and the remaining are white. Remaining, that means 24 minus sum of these two, that is 4 plus 11 is 15. Obviously this is 9. So 9 are white balls. Okay, now you need to find the probability that drawn ball is white in color. So obviously probability of getting a white ball is favorable number of observation upon total number of observation. This is favorable and this is total. Okay, you can also cancel 3 3 ja, 3 8 ja. So 3 by 8 is the option. That is option B. Sorry, option 9 by 24 is option. Just a minute, 9 by 24. So 3 by 8. Sorry, this is the option B. Option B. Okay. Now come to question number 15. The point on the x-axis nearest to the point -4, -5. So you see, any point on the x-axis is of the form of whose y is 0, that is a0 type. Okay, so nearest to the point -4, 5, -4, -5, obviously both are negative x and y, that's why it is a point of quadrant third, that is -4, -5. Obviously all the options, out of all the options 0, 0, -4, 0, -5, 0, 1, 0. You see, -4, 5 is this one, -4, 5, and this is -4, 0, and this will be just straight way, just finding perpendicular angle, and this -5, 0 will be this 1 and the distance will be this root 41. This will be positive, obviously this will be in this side, and 0 is the center. You see, out of these 4, this one is the nearest point because this is getting the perpendicular distance. You can also apply the distance formula, but by diagram it is more clear. That's why this point is the nearest point to this given point. Okay, so option B is the correct one. Now question number 16, given which of the following gives the middlemost observation of the data. Obviously this is just conceptual question, so option A, because median is the one which when arrange the data in ascending or descending order, median gives the middlemost observation. Okay, now come to question number 17. A point on the x-axis divides the line segment joining the point A 2 minus 3 and B 5 6 in the ratio 1:2. You see, you can take m ratio n, or you can take, if this is k, then k will be 1/2. Okay, if this is supposed to be m ratio n, then obviously k will be 1/2. Now, because by this supposition we can find easily the coordinate of the intersecting point. Let these are the points A, B, 5, 6 and this be 2 minus 3, A. Okay, so let 1:2 is this point. We have to find the coordinate of P. As you know, the point whose we need to find the coordinate of P, then and the ratio is given, then by ratio formula you know Pxy is given by Kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, Ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So k is 1/2, x2 means x of p and x1 is x of a. Xy 5 plus 2 by k, that is 1/2 plus 1, k again 1/2, y2 means y of b and y1 is y of a, that is 6 plus minus 3 upon k plus 1 is 1/2 plus 1. So you see, this is 3/2 and this is 2 to the 4 plus 5 is 9/2 and this is 3 minus 3 is 0/2 and this is 3/2. So obviously we have from here 3 and this is 0. So 3 0 is the answer, and out of these options, option C is the correct option. Okay, come to question number 18. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. The probability of getting a red face card. You see, red face card. Obviously red means there are 13 cards and face cards are 3 cards. So out of 13 only 3 are, but out of the whole deck there are 3 red face cards. Okay, so the probability of the event is total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. That is 3 is the favorable number of outcomes and total is 52. So this is 3/52. Okay, so 3/52 is option C. 3/52. Now come to question number 19. As it is a Russian reason based and you all are knowing how to give its answer, when both are correct and R is correct explanation of it, then option A is correct, and similarly you can see the other options. Now question number 19 is, assertion is HCF of any two consecutive even natural number is always 2. So any consecutive even natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 onwards, but even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So you see, any two consecutive natural number, HCF is, or divides both the number and which is minimum. So obviously HCF is 2. And similarly you can find all of this, these all are HCF is 2. So option A is correct. But what about the reason? Reason is even natural number are divisible by 2. Obviously even natural number are divisible by 2 because any even number is divisible by 2. So option R is also correct. But even natural numbers are divisible by 2, it is correct. So option A, that is option A. Okay, because and so R is correct expression of the assertion. Now come to question number 2. If the radius of the sector of the circle is reduced to its half, that is R dash is R by 2, and the angle of the angle is double, that is theta dash is 2 theta, then perimeter of the sector remains the same. So first at all, for a circle, the perimeter of sector is what? Perimeter of sector. So this is a sector, both are r, and this is what? Theta by 180 into 2 pi r. So the perimeter is r plus r is 2r, theta by 180, 2 pi r. Okay, now this is perimeter in first case, and now let b dash be the perimeter in second case when radius is r dash and angle is theta dash. So obviously 2r dash plus theta dash by 180 into 2 pi r. Now you see, it is in the question, perimeter of the sector remains the same. If r dash is replaced by r by 2, obviously this will be this, and theta dash will be 2 theta by 180 into 2 pi r. You see, 2 get cancelled, and here this is 4 times of theta by 180 into pi r. But this expression and this expression are totally different. Both are different, you know. So p dash and p are not equal. So assertion A is false. Now reason are, the length of the arc subtending angle theta at the center of a circle is of radius r is pi r theta by 180. Also it is given. So this is correct. So you see, p dash is not equal to p, but assertion was false and reason is correct, and reason have no connection with assertion. That's why reason is not correct explanation of assertion. That's why option B is the correct one.